Mabuhay, local lovers! This is Aubrey, and welcome to the first part of GAC series. Here, we will get to meet and have an exclusive chikahan with the leaders from different agencies, and also to know how they are preparing for this upcoming brand ad clash. Balita ko, sobrang active ng Black na to when it comes to joining and winning different competitions. Are they going to treat it as an advantage to their different clashers? Or dapat bang kabahan ng everyone? To find out, let's have here TL Yana from Team Kidlat. Hello, Team TL Yana. Hello po. Grabe yung intro. Yes. Syempre.
Po rin naman yung block namin doon.
Envelope. Okay, so are you ready na po ba for these questions?
Yeah, go.
Okay, so let's proceed to the first question. Using 3 words without giving any too much information. Describe your team's preparation para sa Grand Ad Clash.
So, I think in 3 words, I'd describe our preparation. Una, OA, laro, tapos one dot.
Bakit? Can you tell me more or what are the meaning behind these words?
Okay, so first, OA, kasi medyo OA yung planning namin when it comes to Grand Ad Clash. Actually, prior the briefing, the client briefing, nagkaroon na talaga kami ng meetings. Siguro mga 3 meetings na before the briefing kasi we're really planning not just about the campaign development. Syempre, meron kami yung mga, yung mga HQ, paano yung HQ, yung budget, ganyan. So, we really, parang naging OA pa plano. And yung sa laro, syempre kahit OA kami sa pagpaplano, medyo naging, ginawa namin siyang fun. So, nagkaroon din kami ng mga activities in between planning. Sa HQ, minsan nag-uuno lang kami. Joke lang, Sir Dan. Pero yun, syempre kapag nagbe-brainstorming ka, diba, parang minsan nakaka-burnout. So, kailangan mo ng laro minsan. So, minsan pa nagbe-brainstorming, tumatawa na lang din kami pag wala na kami maisip. So, mga ganon. Then lastly, one dot. So, one dot kasi, ayun yung tagline namin as a blog. So, Kidlat one dot. So, kasi ang iniisip, lagi namin sinasabi na lahat kami magaling in our own way. And kapag nagsama-sama kami, mas lumalakas yung Kidlat. So, yun, one dot. Kasi this will be our first and last campaign together as a blog. So, talagang naging emotional. Talagang inaano namin na gawin namin to as one. So, kaya one.
Okay, thank you po. So, for the next one po, kapag may mga clash po between ideas, syempre hindi siya maiiwasan, di ba? As a team leader, paano mo siya hinahandle?
Pinag-aaway ko lang sila. Hindi, first of all, kapag may clash of ideas, ibig sabihin, maraming great ideas. Kasi hindi yan mag-aaway-aaway kung hindi nila gustong ipaglaban yung ideas nila kasi maganda, diba? So, kapag may clash of ideas, it's a great thing. So, for me, kapag may clash of ideas, syempre, we take it parang in a professional way. Kasi kahit na, kami, syempre magkakaibigan kami in a block. Pero kapag work, kapag campaign, kapag nagbe-brainstorming kami, hanggang dun lang yon. Kunyari, may idea ako, tapos may idea rin yung isa kong kaklase. And hindi siya nagtutugma. Paglalaban ko yung akin, paglalaban niya rin yung kanya. And kung sino yung, alam mo yun, yung mas may point, yun yung kukunin namin. And pinag-uusapan namin siya as a section. Hindi lang yung kunyari, gusto ko kasi ako yung TL, ako yung masusunod. Hindi siya ganun. So, lagi talagang communication. As communication students, kailangan talaga pinag-uusap.
Right. So with that po, as a team leader once again, how do you keep the preparation process enjoyable?
Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ay naglalaro lang kami ng una. Nag-uuna lang kami. Enjoyable. Feeling ko naman kasi, it's not just my responsibility to make it enjoyable sa block. Parang responsibility siya ng bawat isa sa amin to make it fun as much as possible. So, syempre hindi lang ako yung pwedeng, guys, laro tayo. Ayaw nila maglaro. So, syempre hindi fun yun, di ba? Hindi magiging enjoyable yun. So, sa amin talagang, from time to time, kunyari while brainstorming sa strategy or sa research, ganyan, nag-ano talaga kami, sige, wait lang, break muna, muna tayo, laro muna tayo, kaya kain muna tayo. Yung mga ganung bagay, kahit maliliit siya, yung pagkain lang, or minsan, kwentuhan after namin mag-brainstorming, fun na siya for us. Doon kami nag-enjoy kasi we're also building our bond as a class. So, ayun.
Right. So, for the next one po, during this phase, so alam naman natin na importante to keep your members motivated. So, bilang team leader, how do you express your appreciation towards their efforts and contributions?
Nakaraan ng libre ako ng saging konyelo sa HD. Charot. Hindi, ayun, isa yun, yung mga ganon, libre ng pagkain, ganyan. Tapos, siguro share ko lang din, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina na prior the briefing, nagkaroon na kami ng mga meetings with the block. So, on our first meeting for Grand Atlas, nagkaroon kami ng assembly. And in that assembly, meron akong pinrepare na parang personalized letter for each one of my blockmates para lang, alam mo yun, to let them know na, guys, magaling kayo and I'm looking forward to work with you during the Grand Atlas. So, may ganun kami. Then, nagkaroon din kami ng activity during that time na parang affirmation siya. Para lang ma-boost yung confidence. Kasi during our third year, medyo pagod talaga kami. Like, na-burn out talaga kami lahat during our junior year. And I think nakaka-relate kayo dun right now. Kasi sobrang pagod talaga ng junior year. And para lang to start off our GAC season right, parang nagkaroon kami ng ganong activity para lang ma-boost yung confidence ng bawat isa. To let them know na may naniniwala pa sa kanila para lalo silang ma-motivate during the Grand Atlas season. So, ganun yung ginawa namin.
Alright, so lastly po, do you have any message to your fellow clashers?
Mabait kasi kami.
Wow! Totoo ba?
Mga baby girls lang kami sa kidlat. Hindi, I mean, more than like, parang hinahamon sila. I just wanna let them know na kasi nakasama rin namin yung iba sa kanila sa internship and I know na lahat talaga ng IPR students, hindi lang kaming seniors yung magagaling. So, I'm looking forward to seeing their campaign and to see yung skills nila to be put in good use through that campaign. And I hope na ma-enjoy din nila yung process, no? Na kasi kami sa Kidlat talaga, like, aside from aiming na manalo, aim talaga namin to create memories kasi first and last campaign nga namin together and sana ganun din yung ibang blocks. So, yun.
Alright, thank you so much and good luck po, Tia Liana, sa team nyo.
Thank you so much.
Alright, and that's it for our pilot episode. And samahan niyo ako sa mga susunod pang episode. Once again, this is Aubrey and to our seniors, good luck and don't forget to stay hydrated.